How to fix this page isn't available right now error on Facebook. So if you want to fix this page isn't available right now error on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. And if you don't have a stable internet connection, then it might be the problem. So you just need to simply have a stable internet connection. And after that, the next thing you need to do is just go with your Play Store or your App Store. Go with search. Under search, you can search for Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, or once you search for your Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with update if you have any updates on your Facebook. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Facebook application. Go with the app info, go with storage and cache, and after that go with clear cache. And once you've done this, now you need to remove that and restart your device. So press and hold on to that power button and you'll get restart option. Simply tap on restart, and after the problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix this page isn't available right now error on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.